Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. This week's video is all about how to send a shipment to Amazon FBA. Just so we're on the same page, and for the newbies out there, FBA is an acronym for Fulfillment by Amazon. In other words, you send your products, or your product or products, to an Amazon warehouse, and every time the item sells, Amazon picks, packs and ships the item for you. Like dropshipping, FBA has got many advantages. You don't have to warehouse the products yourself, you don't have to box the items up yourself, and you don't have to ship the items yourself. Amazon does this all automatically. The only disadvantage to FBA compared to dropshipping is you have to outlay cash to pre-purchase inventory up front. Whereas with dropshipping, of course, you get paid first, and then after you've been paid, you then purchase the items. With FBA, of course, you have to pre-purchase upfront inventory, which can cause cash flow problems for some people. Now, Amazon's now got over 400 FBA warehouses scattered all over the planet, so no matter whether you're either located or where you're going to build a business, Amazon will more than likely have a warehouse in that country. Recently, Amazon opened 2 FBA warehouses here in Australia, one in Dandenong, Victoria, and the other in Moorebank in Sydney. If you're running a dropshipping business already on Amazon, eBay, or your own website, or all three, FBA can be a great way to get into importing your top-selling dropship items, which of course adds another revenue stream to your existing business. Now, with Amazon, there are 2 ways of fulfilling customer orders. The first is what we call FBM, which is fulfillment by merchant. In other words, you fulfill the order. Or FBA, where the order is fulfilled by Amazon. Now, the first step to setting up an FBA account in Amazon is to turn on FBA in your Amazon Seller Central account. But before you do that, I highly recommend that you get familiar with this Amazon page. I'll put a link on the screen. This Amazon page is a great reference point with links to show pricing, how FBA works, and the most important button, the Get Started button. It also has a link to sign up if you're not already an Amazon seller. Okay, so here's how to add FBA to your Amazon account. For this example, I use one of our Australian Amazon accounts. First, log on to Amazon Seller Central using the link I'll put on the bottom of the page, or bottom of the screen. Next, click on Settings at the top right-hand corner. Then select Account Info. Then click on Manage as per the screenshot. Here you'll need to add FBA as one of your services. Now, those steps I've just gone through, those are the ones you need to do first to add FBA to your Amazon account. Then once you've done that, you can then choose which of your items you wish to convert to Fulfillment by Amazon. To do that, click on the inventory at the top and select Manage Inventory. Next, click the checkbox next to whichever inventory items you wish to use FBA. Then click on the Action button and choose Change to Fulfilled by Amazon. Now you can again click on that Action button and this time select Send Replenishment Inventory. So that's it. No matter where you're watching this video, please scroll down, leave me a comment below. Until next week, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.